OpenAI has just launched Daybreak, a cybersecurity initiative that's clearly the company's competitor to Anthropic's Project Glasswing. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. If you'll recall, Glasswing uses Anthropic's unreleased AI model, Claude Mythos Preview, to provide its clients' cyber defense needs. It's been promising so far, as Mozilla revealed in April that Mythos helped it find and patch 271 vulnerabilities in the latest release of the Firefox browser. Now, OpenAI says Daybreak uses its various AI models, including its specialized security agent, Codex. In its announcement, the company explained that Daybreak is built around the premise that cyber defense should be built into software from the start, and not just revolve around finding and fixing vulnerabilities. Daybreak aims to prioritize high-impact issues and reduce hours of analysis to minutes, to generate and test patches within repositories, and to send back results with audit-ready evidence to the client systems. In easy words, OpenAI is asking Codex Security to scan a codebase, validate the highest risk findings, and fix them. Daybreak will use GPT 5.5 for general purposes, and GPT 5.5 with trusted access for cyber for most defensive security workflows, including secure code review, vulnerability triage, malware analysis, detection engineering, and patch validation. Daybreak will also rely on GPT 5.5 Cyber for preview access for specialized workflows, including authorized red teaming, penetration testing, and controlled validation. Several companies have already joined hands with OpenAI to use this initiative, including Cloudflare, Cisco, CloudStrike, Palo Alto Networks, Oracle, and Akamai. It's left to see if this new software can leave Claude Mythos behind, which is already widely appreciated in the software world. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.